Hi everybody, welcome back to Grandpa's Garage. Well, I've been to that barn again with my buddy Tom, and we went picking again. Well, we got an old metal watering can and I don't know, looks like for pouring something somewhere. Got some horseshoes. This one's aluminium, as the English say. Aluminum and steel. Got an old lantern. Glass is broken, but that's a keeper. Got some handcrafted old implements hooks. I don't know what they were. They'll look good hanging on the wall down there somewhere. Got a real interesting pail with a funny little spigot on it. It's kind of interesting, kind of cool, I don't know. Got some metal sap buckets, maple syrup. Got another one of these big saws, missing the handle on one end. Got one of these babies for picking up the old ice blocks. Check this thing out for branding your cattle. I don't know, I like old tools. There's a big spud wrench. Got a one-wheel cart, and the other wheel is seized. I've got some wheels for that. Yeah, lay down. Got a stovepipe damper, an axe head, and a wrench that is meant for square nuts and bolts. That's an oldie. And an old style damper with a door on it, kind of cool. Got another one here, it says clean out on it. I don't know, I like it. Had to bring it home. Got a pitchfork. Fred's chasing a squirrel in the bush, I can hear him. Got one of these buggers, eh? It's all seized up and everything, but I'll free that baby up. I don't know. Always like those. What's that one called? Clipper 61. Clipper 61. Got another horseshoe. Oh, what we got over here? Got a drill bit for drilling in rock. Got an old block and tackle. The rest of the stuff on there is parts from my 78 Ford. Pretty cool stuff. It's all just going in the garbage, so why not go and get it? Anyway, bye for now.